Today I'll teach you guys how to use NameDrop in your iOS 17. So for people who do not know what NameDrop is, when you put your iPhone on top of each other, it's automatically going to share information like this, like your contact information is going to be shared with the another one and the another ones is going to be shared with you. So this is the new feature available for iOS 17 user only. So let me show you how you guys can use it. And before I show you how to use it, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. First thing is you have to enable it from your setting, because if your NameDrop is not on, you won't be able to use it. And to turn it on, first you want to go on your iPhone setting. Inside of iPhone setting, the option where it says general, click on it. And once you're inside general, the option called airdrop, you want to click on airdrop. Once you click on airdrop, it's going to bring you over here, and the last option, bringing devices together, make sure it's on. If it is off, you have disabled your NameDrop, which means you cannot use NameDrop. So make sure it's on. And make sure your friend's mobile also has the NameDrop enabled, because if you're the only one who has it enabled, then it's not going to work. Both of the device has to have the setting enabled. Once you enable it, just put your phone on top of each other like this, and you should be able to use your NameDrop in iOS 17. And if you want to customize your NameDrop photo and all the other stuff, you need to do this. You need to come inside your setting again and scroll a bit down and click on this option called messages. Once you're inside messages, you can see this option called share name and photo. Click on share name and photo and it's going to bring you over here. Now you can click on edit to edit the picture you want to be shown on your NameDrop. And over here you can even choose if you want to share automatically or not. Well, you can change all the setting and customize your NameDrop feature from this place. So that's how you guys can use NameDrop in iOS 17. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.